How's it going, everybody? Welcome to the channel. So for this video I wanted to share a certain application that I recently found out that actually rewards you for scanning receipts. With what rewards? I'm talking gift cards, like Amazon gift cards, Walmart, and the list goes on. All you have to do to get started is download the application Fetch Rewards. It is on the Google Play Store and also the App Store. I will leave a download link in the description down below. You can use my referral link, that's what it is, an affiliate link. So you get points, I get points. We both get rewarded if you use that link in the description down below. But once you have the application installed, all you want to do is have a nice receipt in hand and get ready to scan. It is very easy to do, like unbelievably easy. So all you need to do, on the bottom of the screen there's a little button with a little camera icon. Click it. Once you do that, it will actually showcase a little camera. You just snap the pictures. It's going to ask you for certain things on the very picture, certain details. So it's going to want the store, the total, and the date of the receipt. And here's the thing. I also used very old receipts, like for a month ago or so. And they still worked, but they didn't give me as many points. But still, they worked. And you can also even scan e-receipts. For example, I was doing that with Amazon. Yeah, it's pretty cool. Sadly, I wish I knew this when I was purchasing a lot more things on Amazon, like the lights behind me that you probably can't even... Is that better? Alright, how's it going? Anyways, all you have to do is just do that, then you get rewarded with the points. It's so easy to do. Just rinse and repeat, keep doing this. And I scanned some really random receipts. I have one right here for a gas pump at 7-Eleven, and I'm gonna scan it. So it's gonna look like this. Like I said, how's it going, everybody? And I just click scan. And you can just scan the receipts. And hopefully I have enough lighting. It's going to scan. And then it would show green right there. So the store, the total, and the date. Then you just click submit on the bottom. And that's all you do. That's literally all you do. That's all you do. That's it. I just got rewarded some points. It does this cool little sound effect too. I don't know if you heard it. Ring type of thing. Kind of adorable. But so far I actually have 4,775 points, which is quite a lot. If I click on my points counter, you will see right here a whole screen. And here's the thing, I scanned a few receipts, like it wasn't a lot. It wasn't, like it was a lot of old stuff. But the big receipts, for example right there, 400 points, 600 points, 250 points. Also did get a referral bonus. That is what you can get in the description down below if you use my code, the URL down there. But yeah, look at all that, all those little points. After I started to scan a lot of things, I started to give me 25 instead of like decently big numbers. But still, like, look at the first one, dude. It was Taco Bell, and Taco Bell hooked a brother up with 1,000 points. So once you're ready to use up your points, all you have to do is click rewards on the bottom tab. Once you do this, it would actually show up a whole menu of different gift cards that you can actually receive. There's a lot of them. Personally, I like Amazon and Walmart, so I just search up and I type in Amazon, and there it is right there. And basically, it's 1,000 points equals $1. $1 is 1,000 points. That's a pretty fair deal, at least for Amazon. If I look at Walmart, that's a different story. It's a little bit more expensive, but still pretty awesome, especially when you consider I'm only scanning receipts. And there's plenty of different stores. There's so many. I could keep scrolling. I could keep scrolling. There's a lot of things you could do. So it's pretty awesome. I really enjoy this application so far. And yeah, it's pretty awesome. I enjoy it. You can even get Starbucks on here. I'm not even a big fan of coffee, but maybe I'll get something for Samantha. I don't even think she likes coffee, but it's the thought that counts, right? So yeah, let me know what you think about this application. Personally, for me, I just started using it and it's absolutely fantastic. And yeah, once again, if you want to use my referral link, my code in the description down below, you'll receive a referral bonus, and so will I. I believe it is actually 2,000 points, so you can enjoy that. But anyways, have a good one, and yeah, have a wonderful rest of your day. Peace out.